When it comes to communicating with souls, prayer can be a powerful tool. It can help you set your intention, create a sacred space, and open yourself up to receiving messages from the spirit realm. Here is a step-by-step guide to using prayer to communicate with souls. Begin by setting your intention. Who do you want to connect with, and why? Take a moment to focus your mind and heart on your desired communication. Find a quiet and sacred space where you can pray without distractions. This could be a corner of your room, a spot in nature, or any other place where you feel calm and centered. Light a candle or incense to help create a sacred atmosphere. This can help you shift your energy and focus your intention. Speak your prayer aloud or silently, addressing the soul you wish to connect with. Speak from your heart and be honest and sincere. Here is an example of a prayer that can be used to initiate communication. Divine Spirit, I ask for your guidance and presence as I seek to communicate with the souls of the departed. I ask for your love and protection to surround me as I open myself to this communication. I invite the souls of my loved ones and ancestors to come forward and share any messages they may have for me. I am open to receiving their wisdom and guidance, and I trust that they will only share what is for my highest good. May this communication be filled with love, light, and healing energy. Thank you for your continued blessings and support. Amen. Listen for any responses or signs that the soul is communicating with you. This could come in the form of a feeling, a thought, a vision, or any other type of intuitive message. Express gratitude for the communication and any messages you receive. Give thanks to the divine for their guidance and presence. Remember, communicating with souls is a deeply personal and unique experience. There is no right or wrong way to do it, and it may take time and practice to develop your own style and approach. Trust your intuition and have faith in the process. With prayer and other spiritual practices, you can create a deeper connection with the spirit realm and receive messages of love, guidance, and healing.